CAT is a long journey. It's not an easy journey. We as an Indian student, we are used to study for the exam for 1 week, 2 weeks, 1 month. But here we have to study for the complete 1 year. Those who are going for the CET exam, we have got 31 weeks for the CET exam. So obviously there will be ups and downs in this journey. So easy way to do that is to break the target into baby steps. So baby steps will give you the bigger targets. Yeah. So rather look at the bigger picture, let's talk at the baby steps. So every week, if you can achieve these targets, your life is sorted. Yeah. So in case you want to join a program, the numbers are given here to call us. We've got 17 weeks for the CET CAT exam and 31 weeks for the CET exam. And this is the weekly target. This week's target are given here. You can go to our site cetking.com/weekly to check out the timetable. So we're launching the new batch today on Monday. So CAT and CET, the two main program, CAT plus with the CAT and other exam, and CET. Those who want to focus on CET. And this week, the topic I want you to cover up is direction sense, para completion, DI calculations, equations, probability, and then workshops on the weekend. So weekend, whatever topic we do on the weekdays, on weekend we'll look at the advanced level of all these topic. For example, this weekend we're going to look at equation, probability का advanced level, para completion का advanced level. We'll do all the CAT questions on the weekend. And especially for the students who are preparing for CAT and want to keep an eye on the non-CAT exam as well. So Monday we have direction sense. So every Monday I'm keeping light. Yeah, Monday office bhi hota hai. There's a lot of confusion on Monday. So every Monday we'll take a light topic. Yeah, so that you can get back into the normal weekly mode. From the weekend mode, you come out of the weekend mode. And then we'll increase the number of the graph goes up as we go along. Yeah, so every day 7 p.m. is going to lecture, and then at 1 p.m. we'll have a practice session for some of these lectures. 7 p.m. is the main lecture, and 1 p.m. is a practice session which is optional. Yep, and then weekend we are going to take the advanced level workshops. This is how the timetable works at CET King. Okay, so this week both the topics are common for CAT and CET because these topics are coming in all the exam, right from CAT to CET, all the exams are coming. Only this CET and non-CAT exam is direction sense. I've added a plus sign here. Apart from that, every topic is common for CAT, CET, SNAP, and MET, whichever exam you are taking, you are going to see these questions. Para completion come in CET as well. Yeah, those who joined us only for the mock series, only for the books, they can go to daily test link here, which is the Telegram link for the daily test. Every day at 9:30 p.m. we're going to post the link of the test there, which you can participate. How to start my preparation for MBA, how to start my quant preparation, logic preparation, verbal preparation, all given in these 4 links. So you can just check out the links here. Go to cetking.com weekly. You'll get the complete details about the weekly targets. Yeah. So these are your baby steps which you are going to look at the bigger future. I don't want you to get confused with ये भी करना है, geometry भी है, numbers भी है. For example, one student, he pings me almost every week, sir मेरा syllogism नहीं हो रहा. अरे छोड़ दे यार, करेंगे ना बाद में. I'll take it up. First complete these topics. Okay, this is the problem, yaar. You're not able to complete these topics and then you're adding more chaos into your life. See, these are all baggages, yaar. I don't want you to carry so many baggages at one time. This week, your baggages is only these topics, bas. Iske alawa, I don't want you to carry any other baggage. Yes? Okay, so in case you want to join our program, you can call us on any of these numbers and my team will be more than happy to help you out to join the program. All the best.